Hi, this is Mary Connard. I'm doing assignment 7 for mindfulness. Mindfulness is the ability to strive to focus on the present. It is very important, according to the AEPA. Mindfulness is defined by the moment-to-moment awareness of one's experience without judgment. In other words, mindfulness is a state and not a trait. I love that quote. Our company could definitely benefit from mindfulness training, so I do look forward to look into that in the future. One of the things that article mentions is the mindfulness, such as one of my favorite, which is less emotional reactivity. In HR, this is very important and a good skill to have. The ability to see self-observation was another idea from this article. Another article that I liked was my second article, and mainly because it talked about how mindfulness can help control depression, coping with an illness, and adversity. So, of course, I have used meditation for years and years to cope with illness and surgeries that I've had out over the years, and I was so moved by some of these things in this article that I actually subscribe to the magazine and hope to have it come into my house soon. We have a tendency to ask, why me? But when I think of that, I think of, why not me? And how am I going to turn this situation around to the benefit of the company? I would like to have our company set up mindfulness training for supervisors, and then if it's a success with them, move on to all employees and maybe even students at some time. And of course, one of the biggest thing is getting the employees to come to the training, so there may have to be some incentives for that. Knowing the benefits of mindfulness is very important to sell the process, in which I do because of the meditation. It could be a common effect, and if we get enough people on board, it could drizzle down from one employee to another until it affects all of us. Workshops. I love workshops. I like going and I like learning. And this is something I would like to benefit some of our employees with. If they've never heard of mindful, it can help stress management, effective communication, and time management, and mindful eating. I never thought of it being that, but I like that idea. And Forbes believes that mindfulness will be the future in which most of the companies will go to, and that I like very much. And then I have my works cited information as well. Thank you.